Hey guys, what's up? Today I got my dog Marley. Come on, Mars. Come on, Mars. Come here. Come on, little boy. Come on, little boy. Look at it. This is Marley. He's got a beard. Hi, Mars. Okay, now you gotta hop out the video. Okay, now. I got this slime. Marley, you don't need to smell it. Get out of here. Unicorn poop. And I'm excited to open it. It's got pink, purple, blue, a whole bunch of colors. Ooh, it looks jiggly. Ugh, open up. Got it. Oh my gosh. Okay. What? Get out of there. Oh my gosh. This is the best store-bought slime I've ever gotten. By the color. Now give me the blue. I want to play with the blue. It's so jiggly. Isn't it jiggly, Mars? Oh, it doesn't smell. Get out. It won't get the blue out. Something so weird. Okay, got it all out. Let's play with it. Margie's sitting over there watching. Oh, goodness. Okay. This feels good. Whoa, the inside's purple, the outside's blue and pink. Love it. So special. Something so real. What you feel. This feels amazing. Oh my gosh. So jiggly. Look at this. I'll do a close-up for you. It's so pretty. I love this. I'm not surprised by the feeling. All store-bought slimes feel like this, but color though, it's beautiful. If you would like to have one of these, comment down below and I will get you one. Anyways, this was a short video, but that's all I had was to open this awesome jiggly stuff. And Marley will finish it. Finish off the video, Mars. Okay, goodbye, guys. Have a great day, guys. Bye.